I'm at Gava's today. I actually always see this place online, but yeah, I finally get to be here. I'm on a date. Guys, I ordered oxtail, but now I want his order. It looks so much better. I love So I couldn't finish my food. I ended up taking away. So it's later on in the day. My mom, myself, and my brother are going to Sekuru's house to spend the weekend there. Hello. Harare is such a pretty city. It has nice parts. Yes, it has its dingy parts, like other cities in the world do too, but it has really nice spots as well. Having lived in a few countries and now looking at Harare, I just appreciate it so much more. Guys, the way I'm so full, I get here and guys, me that I told myself that this could so yeah. That's enough. Then my samaguru. That's a name to get. That's a name to get. Yes, please. Magure Canada. Let's not even talk about it. Yeah, that's good.
What about veggies?
Yes, please. Yes. Yeah. I'm a veg. I want to say. It's the tribe. Oh, thank you. Because Gurra is to like in the carriage, you see. So.
Mama, what's this?
Kitty. Harare is the OG pie spot. I was super excited to try their pies again, but I feel like their taste has kind of deteriorated. But I do love their portion size. They're still very generous with their portions. But yeah, as of this last experience, I'd rate them a 3.5 out of 5 because of the taste.
It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the prize. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. Temporary stop Muwedza because you guys, I need to pee. Funny thing is, I'm the only one that's not kujiga. I didn't have porridge, I didn't drink tea, I didn't eat anything, but who needs to pee? I do. Oh, that's such a beautiful view. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity. So these are the shops. So if you live in a rural setting, this is what the shops would look like. So this is like your downtown area. You have all sorts of shops here, like groceries, you have clothes, you have bottle stores for liquor, you have a gas station, you have pretty much everything.
For my non-Zimbabwean friends, I thought it would be interesting to show you just a glimpse of what a Zimbabwean rural homestead looks like. So you have your piece of land, and then you have the round hut, which is your kitchen. Then you also have an actual house where you have a living or dining room and maybe 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms, just depending on your family size. I think on average, most people would have 1 to 3 bedrooms. You can build as many structures as you want. This is a nicer one. I believe the average homestead would have just like the round hut, which is your kitchen, and then one house structure. Then you have an outdoor area for doing the dishes. Then you can also grow your crops, whatever crops you want to grow. You have your toilets, which are a bit of a distance from the actual house. And then you also typically have chickens and cattle and whatever other livestock you want to keep. changing the curtains in the sun lounge. My mom wants to get them washed, so we've already taken them down and then we're gonna put the new one. Still need to take off this one. So yeah, this is the type that's being taken down and then we're gonna put a new one. My time in Zimbabwe is almost done for now. It feels bittersweet. On one end, I'm looking forward to going back home, getting back into routine. And on the other end, I feel like I need a bit more time in Zim. So, going to the salon to do my hair. I'm going to do my hair and my mom's gonna do her nails. The one place I hadn't been to check for the placemates I want is Besco. And I don't know why I never came here because it's literally like about 10 minutes from my house. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, I spoke about it in this video. I didn't find the mats in Besco either. But being in Besco was such an interesting experience because when I went to Granite Side a few weeks ago, there was literally a shop that's about the same in terms of the aesthetic, the way it's set up, and selling the exact same things. They're probably owned by the same person or same people. But yeah, they were obviously like the things were cheaper in Granite Side. So if you're not particular about where you shop and you're comfortable driving that side of town, I highly recommend you go to Granite Side. You'll find the things here cheaper. But I do know some people are particular about where they go, where they shop. So yeah, Besco works too. I wanted to pick up some snacks as well, so went to Pick and Pay. Packing is such a struggle. I have too many things and I literally only have 23 kgs by two pieces. This is that disadvantage of traveling with economy when you're coming to Africa. Usually when I'm like traveling to Africa and coming home, I will use business class because you have 70 kgs checked in luggage, and then you can also carry 2 hand carry bags. But yeah, I'm flying economy, so I have to make it work. Or so I want to see if I can make it work, or I purchase additional kgs. Ending the night with my mom's yummy fish stew and salsa.